Public land in the West. It's where we recreate. It's where we hunt, fish, and find solitude. It's where we make our living. The federal government owns 46.4% of the landmass in the western 11 states. Of that, the Bureau of Land Management manages about 50%, roughly 174.5 million acres, a space larger than the state of Texas. Much of this public land in the West is considered to be an arid or semi-arid ecosystem, more commonly known as rangeland. The BLM is mandated to manage these lands for multiple use and sustained yield, balancing the many varied uses of this public space with long-term sustainability of the land. And that is exactly what every person who enjoys public land, either for recreation or as a livelihood, can agree on. We all want a sustainable and resilient rangeland. And what does a resilient rangeland ecosystem look like? It varies by region, elevation, and climate, but in general, we want to see diverse perennial bunch grasses and forbs, robust sagebrush communities, and conifers within their historical range. The perennial grasses play an especially important role. There are many different species, but their roots can extend down over 4 feet and span several feet wide. Year after year, these roots help stabilize the soil, retain moisture, and compete for nutrients against harmful invasive species. Managing range to promote the health of these grasses is becoming increasingly vital in the face of drought, fire, and invasive species. A resilient rangeland maintains habitat and forage and fosters a diversity of species. This is critical in sustaining the long-term environmental value and economic productivity of our public land. We all have an interest in maintaining a resilient rangeland.